Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by pinpointing the problem. Open Task Manager or GPU-Z and watch what consumes GPU cycles. Note driver version and timestamp so you can revert if needed. Once you know the culprit, close non-essential apps and disconnect spare monitors to lower baseline load. Make sure to save work before terminating processes. This quick inventory tells you whether the issue is runaway software, a driver mismatch, or simply too many concurrent GPU tasks running at once. Next, address software and configuration. Update or roll back drivers through Device Manager or your vendor utility, depending on whether a new driver caused the spike. Then change power management to balanced or optimal power to avoid constant max clocks. For heavy apps, lower graphics presets, reduce resolution, or enable an FPS cap. These changes directly drop GPU compute and thermals. Once done, restart the app and monitor utilization to confirm those settings reduced. For final remediation, monitor temps and clocks with MSI Afterburner and consider a modest power limit to prevent continuous maxing. If utilization remains abnormal, inspect for background services or malware causing GPU load and run a trusted antivirus scan. Hardware checks matter too. Clean dust, confirm fan curves, reseat the GPU, and inspect power connectors for snug contact. If things still go wrong, one troubleshooting tip: boot into safe mode to see if the problem persists. That separates driver
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.